That's not a today thing. Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Cita here. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, hey girl, hey. So, what do we have up for today? We'll see. I just know I came outside. I actually enjoyed a lunch brunch out here, sitting in my chair. And I just got done cleaning off the chair, my little dinette. Look, my little dinette. My table and chairs for outdoors. Let me show you. So I put them right there on the patio so that way they're sitting in the sun will dry it. Last night when I came out here, well, yesterday afternoon, let me be clear. Yesterday afternoon I came out here and I brought the wind chime out. It's so nice. So it's a decent temperature outside right now, and that works as long as I'm in the shade and we got a breeze. So we're doing good. Once that dries, I'm actually going to move it over here off the back of the house. Let me show you. I have to clean this area up right here because that's exactly where I want to set it, put it up. So we'll get to that. The gutter fell down, sorry. The gutter came down because it got real windy. So I'm going to have to borrow a ladder to put that back up properly. That's not a today thing. That would be me asking my uncle to bring it on by so we could get it together type thing. But yeah, so for the most part, we're going to chill here for a little bit. And then I'll start cleaning that up. And I'll just have to go back in and get the tripod so we can I'll show you. I'm just going to be pushing some stuff over. Just scooting here, there, scooting it there, girl. And then that's going to be about it, I guess, for now. For now, yeah. But it's a nice breeze. It's got like, depending on where you're sitting at, like standing wise, like in the backyard, it has like a little heat undertone when the wind blow, but then it's followed by like a nice cool little breeze right like at the tail end, right before it ends. So it's really nice. Probably the squirrel up in the tree. But I planted that pepper. So I planted that pepper yesterday where in the pot that batches of petunias used to be. R.I.P. to the petunias. Dang on, groundhog got to it, bit the tops off, and that was it. That was all she wrote for them. They didn't last after that. I was like, dang. And the only reason why I said they didn't last after that, because not only did I water them and submerge them like right back into the dirt, they pulled them back out. Where'd it go? Oh. So this is what we got going on so far. It was rocking, so I took a piece of wood chip and put it up under the level because it's only rocking in that one spot there. Everything else is kind of flush. And then I grabbed some more of the tree bark that had fell from that storm and threw it over there just in case I need it. And I put down some soapy water because I went to grab that bag right there, and a big old spider. He was white, he was brown and black, mostly brown, came out like, who wants some? Like, who's looking for Debo? And I said no, I didn't want that. Oh, you want something too, old man? Huh? No. I would kind of want to be able to move it over a little bit more, but I set this right up exactly where it needs to go, so that's my marker to know it can't go past that at all anyway. Let me move this back over here, because that's where that's supposed to be. And we're done for now. Ooh, child. That's in the direct sun. She hot now. I'll go sit and I'll be able to enjoy it, like, first thing in the morning or later on in the evening when the sun isn't fully, like, directed on the back of the house. So, yay. I'm over here with the drill taking this polish off. Well, because it's not polish, it's gel polish. Ooh, you see I was walking around outside in the dirt and put these shoes on. I did that today.